this is Debbie with Food Prepping Channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make sausage gravy. This is just a basic sausage gravy recipe, no fancy anything, just put it over biscuits, put it over toast, whatever. And what I've got in here is I've got 1 pound of bulk sausage like Jimmy Dean's, or let's see, what else have we got here? Smithfield, Gnos, just a pound of sausage, and I added a little bit of vegetable oil because this sausage really doesn't have very much grease in it, and I need the grease to make the gravy with. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just frying all this up and getting it brown, and when I get to the next step, I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm back. Alright, so the sausage is done, and I added another tablespoon of oil to this, so that makes, count the oil with the sausage, that makes about 3 tablespoons of oil. So I'm going to put about 3 tablespoons of flour in here. And you've got to stir your flour. You've got to stir this and make sure that that taste of the flour is out of here. So I usually stir it around for a minute or two and get that floury taste out. And I've got, I'm going to put in 1 cup of whole milk and 1.5 cups of water in here. Alright, so let's let this cook for a minute. I'm going to turn this up to sear so it'll stay hot because I'm not heating the milk. This is just cold milk is going in. Alright, 1 cup of milk. And I may not use that. I may not use the whole 1.5 cups of water. We'll see how this thickens up. And I'm going to put in about a, I don't know, a good pinch, really, probably about a teaspoon of kosher salt in here. And probably, I love the coarse ground black pepper, so probably 3/4 of a teaspoon of the coarse ground black pepper. Alright, let me start stirring this up. See if it's gonna thicken. Yep, there it goes. Alright, so I'm gonna start slowly adding in the water. Alright, so I'm gonna let this come up to boil, and I'm gonna go fix my toast, and I'll bring you back when it's done. Okay, I'm back. Alright, this is done. I want to show you the consistency of it. It's not, well, I guess it is kind of thick or whatever. I don't know. But it's, for me, it's the perfect consistency. And here's my plate. I've got some tomato slices with it. Oh. And I wanted toast. With breakfast, I like biscuits, but this is like a brunch, so I'm eating toast with this because I really like toast with it too. Oh, it's hot. Wow, it's just the right amount of salt in it. And this is really good, and I like slices of tomato in the summer with my gravy, so I have tomato slices. This is really good, and I hope that for those of you that have never made sausage gravy before, that you'll give this a try. It really is easy, and it's so good. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and look below for links to my Facebook, my Twitter, and also there'll be links below of certain things that I use on my channel or whatever that you may want to purchase from Amazon. There's no extra cost, anything for it. If there's something that you want, click on the link. Same price as if you went to Amazon yourself. It just helps the channel with extra money to get the groceries to fix for y'all when I do the videos and all. It just helps just a little, very little bit. But I hope you have a good day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.